viruses and bacteria making your children sick are out in big numbers this year.
And they are also out early. KMBC9's Martin Augustine is live with the warnings tonight. Martin?
Well, Kelly, doctors and nurses here at Children's Mercy Hospital have been compiling some numbers this fall about a viral respiratory illness known as RSV. Now, most kids, it looks like a cold, but in some kids, especially younger ones, it can be serious business.
The coughing is the worst part because they're just choking and gagging and gasping for air.
Trish Cross has twin toddlers, a boy and a girl. Both have RSV. They're among a growing number. Children's Mercy has tested 423 children for RSV since early October. Of those, almost one-third are testing positive for RSV. A hospital staffer telling me that's relatively high for this time of year. We should note, more than half of those tests have come in the last week. Children hard hit by RSV, like Cross's twins, will sometimes require breathing treatments to fend off respiratory complications.
And I ran into the room and she was coughing and gasping and choking, and I said, okay, we got to go do another breathing treatment because, you know, you're having trouble. So, scary.
And whooping cough continues to be a problem in Johnson County, Kansas, which has diagnosed 449 cases this year. The county had only 65 in 2011. Over in Douglas County, Kansas, there have been 86 whooping cough cases, compared to only 17 a year ago.
Duncan, he's a pediatrician with Northland Pediatrics Associates. He says he's seen a lot of RSV recently, and the best prevention for it is like a lot of other preventions, lots of hand washing, and be sure that you cover up when you sneeze or cough. Reporting live, Martin Augustine, KMBC 9 News.
All right, thank you, Martin. And we do have links about the risks and prevention of RSV up now on our website, kmbc.com. Also on our website, you can find out where you can go and get a flu shot.